right, it's time for another sort from the big box of ephemera. I'm going to try and keep these a little bit shorter, so I'll go quickly, but I want to share with y'all. Here's a handwritten letter from 1964. It cost 5 cents to mail a letter. Pray for peace. Sweet. I'm not going to try and read that on camera because reading older cursive is, I really stumble over the words. We would be here all day. Here is a check from 1951. Those are so cool. Here we've got another letter, 1957. Oh, it's actually a card. Oh, that is so sweet. How cute. Very nice. All right, let's see what else we got here. This one's from 1957 as well. Feels like another card, maybe? Yes. Isn't it great ephemera, huh? And another card. She opened all of her stuff on the edges. That's cute. Not too wordy on that one, but wouldn't that be great, even just like framed, I think, hanging in a hallway or something. Another card because it's your birthday. Very sweet. 1961, 4 cents on that stamp. This is a letter. Oh, she's over her cold. That's good. I know, I love the old handwriting, but I just struggle to read it, honestly. I can, it just takes me a while, and it's not very smooth to do on camera. Okay, this one does not have an opening, does it? Doesn't. Okay, well, here we go. I'm sure it was opened at one time, like here. Well, maybe I can just keep sliding that. You just see me in all my fumbling glory here. But I figure that's what this is about. We're going through this experience together. We're discovering all this stuff together. I could do a more polished version, but you know, that just wouldn't be me. May the meaning of Christmas be deeper, its friendship stronger, and its hopes brighter as it comes to you this year. Aww. Alrighty, December, I'm betting this is another, well, I was gonna say another card, yes. This one has resealed itself as well. Goodness. There we go, we got this. Ooh, I like the colors. Oh, look at that. I love that vintage color scheme. I'm not usually a very good, big fan of that blue, but with that pink and the vintage feel to it, oh, love, love. Alrighty, oh, we got a letter, we got an envelope sticking to a card here. Yay. To a wonderful aunt, Merry Christmas. Apparently she got a blanket for a present. That's nice. Okay, December 28th, 1957. So this one arrived after Christmas. I'm telling you, it's one of those mornings. Come on, honey, come on out of there. Oh, she's really like stuck. There we go. Oh, it's a letter. Thought I would write you and let you know I got your Christmas card and it was pretty. Sweet. All right, what is this? So this is just a old notebook, empty notebook. There's a little bit of writing on here. Have you tried this? A fellow has to be something of a contortionist to get by these days. First of all, he has to have his eye on the ball, his back to the wall, and his ear to the ground. Then he is expected to put his shoulder to the wheel. It's very faded, it's hard to read, but that's cute. So an empty notebook, another empty notebook here. Oops, sorry about the bumping there. What is this? This is a map. Nicholson, Ontario, Canada. It's like written on, it's made on like onion skin paper. How cool is that? Fun. Look at this pattern, you guys. I have never actually seen one this old. I think that's just beautiful. And here's the instructions and the tissue. It is cut, but look at what a great folding job they did. That's amazing. I like that. Ugh, come on, honey, get back in there. All right, there's actually a bunch of these in the box. So it's some kind of old checkbook, I guess. So Sears Roebuck. This was written to Sears Roebuck for cans, maybe? Oh, this is so for a business, maybe. Balance. Oh no, that's balance brought forward. Oh, you guys, I think I need some coffee or something. Goodness sakes. Anyway, my thought was maybe these could be turned into like a series of journals. I could make them into journals somehow. That might be fun. So yeah, I need to make a little stack of those and see how many I have. There's an adorable Christmas picture. Oh, wonder how old that is. It's one of those postcards, so I know there's only specific years they made those. That's also a postcard. I don't remember what those years are, but oh, cute. These are just precious. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, somebody was just asking me if I had any pictures of horses. Well, now I do. I'll have to see if I can part with that. Well, I don't know what's going on there, but that's adorable. Oh, I feel so fortunate to have these. These are just amazing. Just beautiful. And then we have weekly time book. So don't see any year on this, and it's not filled out at all. Oh, there's a little bit in the back that's just address and telephone number, I guess. That's pretty cute, though. Oh, it says 5 cents on there. And then this was, I already showed this at the very first video. So I don't know, I mean, it's pretty beat up. I don't know about saving it like that. I mean, I don't really have an interest in it, but I don't want to just toss it either, so I'd be open to suggestions on what to do with that. Anyway, that's it for the moment. Tune in next time. I'll go through another handful. Thanks for following.